Attention! This is so simple you'll beat yourself up for not finding it sooner. Latest AI tech exploits: Instagram favoritism. 2. Generate 111 few to 80 visitors month. Without followers, recording videos, skills and budget working. Just 15 min day. Create 100s of Instagram Reels in minutes with our secret sauce. Tech and to generate unlimited traffic to your website, blogs, offers, affiliates links, etc. Creating 100s of Instagram Reels that generates massive traffic and commissions is as easy as 3 simple steps. Step 1. Enter a keyword to find viral video. In your niche, add video link or upload any video. Step 2. With one click, our AI customize it and turn it into 100s of hyper-addictive Instagram Reel videos. Step 3. Publish schedule. For months, go viral, skyrocket your reach and generate free traffic 24/7. See the kind of results our beta users are already getting. We make commissions like these every day. You can do the same. Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram, they are all dead. The reach, engagement, and sales are gone. The ever-changing algorithm of social media makes it nearly impossible to make anything stick. And it's happening more and more often. And it's happening to everyone, no matter the size of your audience or business. If you're done wasting your money, time, and effort on stuff that doesn't work, then you need to adapt fast, and adapt right. Because if you don't, you'll be stuck in the same cycle of disappointment and frustration. You'll keep losing followers, customers, and sales. Where did all the traffic go? The 2 biggest mistakes that are stopping you from leveraging all the free traffic available today. Biggest mistake: 1. You are not using short-form videos. Instead of reading long posts, watching long videos. People are now watching short, snackable, fun, and engaging content. Stuff that is around 15-30 seconds long. They spend hours scrolling through their feeds, swiping up and down. Biggest mistake: 2. Even if you do, you're doing it the wrong way. You're posting just the way everyone else is doing. You're competing for the same audience with similar content. You're boring. You're repetitive. There is no way for you to stand out, even if you have the best content. And if you want to tap into this gigantic opportunity before your competitors, then all you need is our secret sauce AI technology. And the best part is, you don't have to be an influencer or spend hours learning complex tools to do it. It's extremely easy to get all traffic for yourself if you start right now. You can get started right here, right now, without budget, no advertising, without showing your face, voice, without writing lengthy scripts, without recording hours of content, without any editing skills, without posting dance, creepy, or obscene videos, without outsourcing, without waiting for months, days, or even hours to start getting traffic. I figured out you need 2 things to become successful with Reels. 1. Create attention-grabbing, addictive and trendy content that gets noticed and goes viral. 2. You need to post 10-20 Reels every day if you want to reach millions of people, gain followers, and make sales. That's what big companies, influencers, and successful accounts were doing. However, there was still a huge problem. I just couldn't find the time to record all that content and edit it. It was impossible for me to create 10-20 Reels every single day. Also, I did not want to show my face, voice, or 100s of scripts. And definitely I did not want to outsource or invest in something that is not yet proven. So I had to come up with something that would make video creation simple, quick, and easy without having me to be an expert or spend hours every day creating videos. Here are the major benefits you will get from ReelRampage AI. Get the first mover advantage and dominate your market. Since Reels is still new, you can get the first mover advantage and dominate your competition. Since no one else is using ReelRampage AI yet, you can quickly create Instagram Reels and get a ton of traffic before they even know what's going on. Today you can get access to ReelRampage AI for a low one-time price. Limited time opportunity. Grab it before it gets saturated. Secure your license today and save with launch. Exclusive one-time pricing. Join it through my links in description to avail huge bonuses.